Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel How to Do It. This is my 6th part on command prompt, and in this part we'll learn about basically 4 commands of command prompt, and these commands are as: first command system information, second opening command prompt in any directory, third checking the version of PC, fourth renaming a folder. So let's get started with our first command, that is system information. For this we need to type, for this command, to use this command we need to type system info, systeminfo. Then we need to press the enter key. System info and pressing enter. Here the command prompt is loading all the information about my system. See here, as you can see, the host name of my PC is ACPCC, operating system name is Microsoft Windows 7 Ultimate, operating system version is this, manufacturer is Microsoft Corporation, configuration is standalone workstation, and whatnot. We can get each and every information about our system from this command. Now moving on to the next command, that is to open the command prompt in any directory very easily. So to open any command, so here I have created a folder namely sh. So first let's open it. So in that folder I have created 2 folders with the same name, new folder and new folder. So first switch to desktop, then again we'll switch to sh, then to the new folder, then again we'll switch to the new folder. So we are here, but this has become a lengthy process. This is a very time taking process. So to make it easy, I have a simple short trick. So here, see, we have to do this much. So to make it easy, just go to the address bar where you need to open command prompt. So here we go to the address bar, type there cmd and then press the enter key. After pressing, you will automatically get a command prompts window in that location. See, as you can see, both the command prompt windows location are same. So this is a very handy trick. It is very useful if you want to go in very deep inside a folder. So it's very useful command. Now how to check the version of your PC? So checking the version of PC is very easy. Just you need to type ver, then press the enter key. So first let's go back to the previous directory using cd ... command, or you may also use cd / and then enter key. Then also you will come to the previous directory. So to use this, to check the version of your PC, you just need to type ver stands for version, and then you will press the enter key. On pressing, you see Microsoft Windows version 6.1.7601. so this is my version of my computer. Now the last command of this video, renaming a folder. So here I have created a folder, that is sh. I have created it earlier only. So to rename a folder, we need to use the ren command. So what we'll do is, we'll just simply type ren. Now we'll simply type ren space, then the old name. So here the old name of the folder is sh. After that we'll give a space, and we'll type the new name which we want to give. So let me type here shubh. On entering, see here the system cannot find the specified file because by mistake we are on the acc folder, that's why. So let's switch to desktop. then we'll use the command, then it will work. See, it has worked. So thanks for watching the video. If you like the video, please share your views in the comment box, and if there is any doubt, please ask in the comment box. Thanks for watching.